I've held the candle and blew out the flames. A moment that will come back and haunt me. Tonight I say goodbye to everyone and everything that aches me. To all the people who annoy me, to all who I loved and lusted and fought with an anguish I wasn't willing to see today. I slice the skin, open the veins, and allow myself to bleed freely. Release me, accept me, ignore me, to free me. She's on the ground, we found her. She's lost a lot of blood, we gotta bleed her. We got ourselves a bleeder. Out the window of an ambulance I saw people. Heard sirens blare in a society hemorrhaging in decay. Convulsing and sweating, I couldn't speak. It was all such strange imagery. Tonight I say goodbye to everyone and everything that surrounds me. To the atmosphere beneath me. To all who accepted but betrayed an anguish I was unwilling to see today. I sliced the skin, opened the veins, and allowed myself to bleed freely. Release me, accept me, degrade me, even if it doesn't free me. She's on the ground, we found her. She's lost a lot of blood, we gotta bleed her. We got ourselves a bleeder. Tonight I was engulfed by the flame of all who erased me, who lied, who ignored, who I grew tired of, who grew to hate me. Tonight I say goodbye to everyone and everything that surrounds me. Tonight I say goodbye to everyone and everything that aches me. I've held the candle and blew out the flames. A moment that will come back and haunt me. Out the window of an ambulance I saw people. Heard sirens blare in a society hemorrhaging in decay. Convulsing and sweating, I couldn't speak. It was all such strange imagery. Today I sliced the skin, opened the veins, and allowed myself to bleed freely. Release me, accept me, ignore me. Oh, to free me. She's on the ground, we found her. She's lost a lot of blood, we gotta bleed her. We got ourselves a bleeder. Convulsing and sweating, I couldn't speak. It was all such strange imagery. Tonight I say goodbye to everyone and everything that surrounds me. To the atmosphere beneath me. To the atmosphere beneath me. To all the people who held me. Tonight I say goodbye to everyone and everything that aches me. I've held the candle and blew out the flame.